Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another natural hair tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I create my flawless twist out after a fresh wash. So I have my hair freshly washed and I just separate it into 4 sections, 1, 2 and 2 at the back. I part the front into 2 different sides because I want most of the hair to lay on this side, the smallest amount to lay on this side, but the back doesn't really matter. I'm just going to get straight into it and show you how I get my twist out after a freshly washed hair. So here are the things that I'm going to need for this twist out. My hair is already also detangled. Let me just show you what it looks like. So that is my hair, just washed and detangled and ready to go. Alright, so I'm just going to clip this back up because I'm going to work from the back up. Here are the things that I'm going to use to make my twist out as defined as it possibly can. So I'm going to use some moisturizer. I'm going to use some oil. Of course, I'm going to use some shea butter. I won't even use a comb really, but I'll just keep one of these just in case I need it, and I'll keep my white tooth comb just in case I might need that. All right, so we're going to start from the back. So we're just going to take one of these down. So that is what it looks like in the back. It's already detangled, but I'm just going to go through it one more time with my comb just to make sure everything is nice. All right, so there you have it. So the hair is already detangled and I already add some leave-in conditioner and some oil and some moisturizer, just a little of each, and I won't add any unless I think I need, and if I do add it, I'm just going to add it to the end. So I'm just going to take a little of my conditioner and put it right at the end, and then I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair, and that is what I'm going to do for all the twists. I know when I'm finished the shrinkage is going to be real, but that's okay, I can handle that. And when I reach the end, I'm just going to take my fingers and go around like this and drop that right there. So we're going to do that to all of my head. Use my finger and just take the piece that I think I need, and I'm going to just pin the rest back. I'm just going to pin the rest back up. Add a little shea butter to the end and twist. See, it's already started shrinking. So I'm just going to do that to my entire head, and then I will get right back to you. hours later, and I am about to go ahead and take down my twist because my hair is all dry. So all I'm going to need this time is some gel and my brush. I'm also going to need my white tooth comb just in case I want to puff it out a little bit. So I'm just going to start from the back, and I'm just going to pull my twist once. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull my twist once, and then I'll go over them and see if I need to untwist again. Okay, you guys, so that is what my hair looks like after all my twists has been pulled out. So I'm just going to go through them one more time and separate some of them, not all of them, again, just to give it a little more fluff. I'm just going to lift that up a little bit. Now I'm going to use the gel on my edges to just push my edges up a little bit to make it really neat. And if you realize, I'm just going to let my hair fall right over that. See, looks really neat. Day 2 and day 3, when these become more fluffy, if you're like me who love your hair when it's big, it will even look more cute. So there you have it, guys. That is what my twist out after wash looks like. And let me just turn around to show you. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and always comment in the comment box because I enjoy talking to you guys. And that's it for another hair tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.